The Ninja Crispi Microwave makes everyday cooking easy with built-in microwave and air fry presets designed for great results at the touch of a button. When using microwave presets, remove all accessories and place food in a microwave-safe dish on the bottom of the unit. Press the microwave button until presets appear. Turn the dial to select options like popcorn, beverage, frozen dinner, or defrost. Then press the dial to start cooking. Microwave presets automatically adjust power and cook time for consistent results, perfect for reheating, defrosting, and everyday meals. For air fry presets, always use the clean crisp glassware with the crisper plate installed, and slide it into the top position for proper airflow and crisping. Press the air fry button to choose from the 5 preset functions. Air fry is great for fresh ingredients, while Max Crisp delivers extra heat for frozen food. Use the time and temp buttons to fine-tune settings based on the food you're cooking. Cooking charts in the Quick Start Guide can help with times and temperatures. For even results, pull the basket out carefully to shake or toss food halfway through cooking. Always use oven mitts. Accessories get hot. Use microwave presets for speed and convenience, and air fry presets when texture matters most. Knowing when to use each helps you get the best results every time. Scan the QR code for more tips, charts, and recipes to help you get the most out of every preset.